Hey guys, welcome to yet another video on CSS Battle on your favorite YouTube channel Web Tutorials. This is Tarak and you are watching Web Tutorials. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do share this video to your friends. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe again. Okay, and today we are going to do letter B, which is target number 40 of CSS Battle. We will start with my previous, I have already done this and my previous record was 260 characters. So today we'll try to break that and also do clean coding. Okay, so let's start. We'll have a div element. Basically, we'll center the element. So let's use style. In the style, first thing we'll do is like use the body. In the body, we'll have background to be this color which is given to us. And then we'll to center the items, we'll, since we are going to use only one div element, so to center that we can use display type flex. So let's use display flex, and flex is like it will be like a box, but you need to tell where in the box you want to position. So there are two properties for that. One is justify content, which is meant to be center, and then you have align items, which is also center. So basically this will center all the elements on the page. So with that, let's give our div IDs. Let's give the properties to that. First thing, we'll have background. To be red so that we can see. Let's give height to be 100 pixels, width to be 100 pixels. So this is exactly the amount of circle that we require, and instead of height and width we can reduce it off to padding as we discussed earlier in our previous videos. So let me go with height and the width. So that's exactly how that is to be done. Then you have border radius. So for border radius, first on the top left, that is this particular corner, we want it to be 0, and then we can have 50% on all the other three sides. So 0 in top, 50% on the top left, top right and the bottom left will come to 50%, and then we need this bottom right also to be 50%, which is our third property. The fourth property is the default, it takes the value of the second property, so it is equal to writing again 50%. So that doesn't make any sense or not required. Apart from that, for the background we will give box shadow. So box shadow, we can have this color we require, but the position needs to be centered on the same with the particular element. We don't want any gradient. We wanted say 50 pixels in width, if that is right. This 50 pixels sounds about right, and then we want the color which is given to us, which is this. The next thing we need to add is the square box, which is roughly 50 pixels by 50 pixels with an height, and it should be positioned there. We can do that by using another element P, or we can also use div after element and do that, but let's use P for sake of simplicity. So with the P tag, let's have background to be green, so we'll get an idea. And instead of this red, I can change it to the color that is required, which is this light blue. So we have that. So this I have given green, and we want height to be 50 and width to be 50. We want to position it, so let's give margin 0. So basically 0 is like from top 0 and left 0 when compared to this particular div, but we want it to be minus 50 pixel on the y-axis, right? So we can have right here minus 50. You will see initially it takes the value for both top minus 50 and left minus 50, but we need top minus 50 and left we need not have minus 50, we need it to be 0. So this is the position that we require, and obviously we need to do is like change the color. And once we do this and submit, this is our 100% match. It is going to be a 100% match, no doubts about that. So with 611.76 points with a 100% match, you couldn't see that, so I need to push this up. Let me submit and show you the same. Here, so you have 370 characters. Okay, so now next we'll reduce the code as default. What type of reduction we do is like just remove the spaces. We're not going to edit more. We'll just remove the spaces and see like how much we can save. 260 is my previous high score. I think this code should go below 260. I'm 90% sure about it. Let's see. Yeah, 249 already. That is amazing. All I'm doing is just removing the spaces. I have not changed the code. Everything is the same. Only thing I have done is remove the spaces. Submit. It is 246 characters, which is better than my previous high score. We have this confetti falling on our CSS Battle. So with 246 characters, this is my solution for letter B. Hit the like button if you like this video, and also share it to your friends. So we will be coming up with more CSS battles, and we'll also come up with courses down the line. So right now you can hit share button and show support as much as you can. And with that said, see you in the next video where we'll be solving our Foxhead. So this will be our next video challenge, and till then, see you. Bye bye.